Hey Falcons, I am coming to you from the Bill Frack Court here at the Stroh Center, and I have an important message for you. This Friday, our men's basketball team takes on the University of Buffalo, currently ranked number 18 in the nation. CBS Sports Network is broadcasting the game, and we need our entire community to be here to cheer on the BGSU men's basketball team. Tip-off is at 8 p.m. Now, we have had an amazing start of the season, and we are currently tied for first place in the Mid-American Conference, but our student athletes need your support. I'm especially counting on each of our students. So we will be providing pizza and drinks for the first 300 who are at the game, and Sandy and I will be joining the student section to cheer on our team. And when we win, there will be a special prize for all the students as you depart. I'll give you a little hint. It may involve having some buffalo wings. So I hope you show up in your orange and brown. We need to protect the Stroh. I Ziggy Zumba.